Have you ever wondered why even when things are going well on the outside, you can still feel restless within? Sadhguru opens this chapter by asking us to reflect on a crucial question. Are you really the one steering your life, or are you just a passenger? Most of us are driven by compulsions, habits, and external pressures. We often mistake comfort for fulfillment. We chase security, recognition, and pleasure, thinking these will bring lasting peace. But Sadhguru says, true joy is not found in accumulation. It's found in alignment. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions are aligned with your inner nature, a natural bliss emerges. He reminds us that the quality of our life doesn't depend on what we have, but on how we are within. You can live in a palace and still be miserable, or live simply and be utterly joyful. Joy is not an outcome, it's a way of being. And it begins by turning inward. Most of us wait for the world to give us permission to be happy, for someone to love us, for success to arrive, for a problem to go away. But that keeps our well-being in the hands of the unpredictable. Sadhguru offers a radical truth. Joy can be unconditional. It can be your default state. But how do you reach that state? Through inner engineering. It's not about controlling life. It's about creating clarity within. Meditation, breath awareness, and yogic practices aren't religious. They are tools to help you build an inner foundation that doesn't collapse when life shakes. Sadhguru speaks about the importance of becoming conscious of your compulsions. Whether it's anger, anxiety, or addiction, these are not your enemies. They are signals. When you become aware of them without judgment, you can begin to release their hold on you. Freedom doesn't come from escaping life. It comes from mastering how you respond to it. When you are no longer a slave to situations or emotions, you begin to experience life with a new depth. Not as a problem to be solved, but a mystery to be lived. Sadhguru says, responsibility is not burden, it is your ability to respond. When you stop blaming circumstances and start owning your experience, you reclaim your power. You stop reacting, and you start living consciously. This shift doesn't need a dramatic external change. It begins in small, silent moments, choosing awareness over autopilot, choosing stillness over noise, choosing intention over reaction. These moments become your path to liberation. The more you practice, the more your inner clarity becomes a light that guides every aspect of your life. Relationships deepen, creativity blossoms, and even challenges become opportunities. You are no longer surviving, you are living fully. Sadhguru reminds us, the most beautiful moments in life are moments when you are expressing your joy, not when you are seeking it. So why wait? The source of joy is already within you, it just needs your attention. Sit quietly for a few minutes today. Breathe. Notice. Feel. Let that stillness expand. With each breath, you return to yourself, not to who the world expects you to be, but to who you truly are. You are not broken. You are not lacking. You are life in its purest form, waiting to be experienced. And once you taste that, even for a moment, it changes everything. So ask yourself, am I ready to stop surviving and start truly living? Am I willing to take the inner journey? If yes, then you've already taken the first step. As Sadhguru beautifully says, if you make the necessary effort, the highest possibility is open to every human being. Type, I choose joy within, in the comments if you're ready to walk this path. And don't forget to subscribe. We're awakening together. This is not the end. This is your awakening.